friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to draw an umbrella. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to be alerted for a new crafty fun video. First you are going to draw an umbrella. What does the word umbrella start with? The answer is the letter U. So we are going to write the letter U first and then we are gonna turn into umbrella. We are going to start here and we are going to draw a line that comes down, curves at the bottom and then back up. There you go. And also if you turn it around, what else does it look like? A rainbow. Now let's first draw the handle inside of the umbrella. We are going to start at the very top and we are going to draw a line straight down like this, and at very bottom we are going to curve it. Now we are going to draw 3 bumps, 1, 2 and 3. So start there. This look like 3 upside down U's. Then we are going to draw 3 more upside down U's to connect to the other side. 1 and 2 and 3. Let's draw our lines right here that come up and then right at the end. We are going to curve into the middle. We start right here at the bump, draw a line up and then curve into middle. There you go. And then let's do the same thing on the other sides, line up and curve in. So our umbrella is ready. Now we are going to start the color. I hope you enjoyed the drawing of an umbrella. For more crafty fun videos and drawings, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on these notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos and drawings when they come out. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow.